This short video will feature the dual microphone noise suppression technology featured in every APX radio. In this first scenario, Joseph will showcase the advanced noise suppression technology that allows the radio to transmit intelligible speech in high noise. In this case, a jet airplane arriving at a gate. To give an idea of just how loud this environment is, we'll play a short clip of just the audio picked up by the camera. Now here's what a receiving radio heard.
Airline number 2 on the tarmac, switching to teletype channel. Have a 94 respond.
In this next scenario, the APX 7000 will be canceling background noise next to a running helicopter. First, you will hear the audio captured by the camera. Now here's what a receiving radio heard.
Tulsa unit, copy. City is requesting your assistance with a burglary in process. Location 123 Main Street.
Mission-critical users are frequently subjected to very loud environments. Being able to make out what is said in the presence of high background noise is essential for user safety.